To get started on your Zoom screen capture recording, go to Host a Meeting, then select With Video On. This will allow you to include a video of yourself alongside your screen capture. If you prefer to record your screen without video or audio, select Screen Share Only. Once Zoom launches, it will ask you to enable your computer microphone. To do so, select Join Audio Conference by Computer. If you don't join audio, you won't be able to narrate your screen capture. To start the recording, go to the Record option. Choose either Record to this computer or Record to the cloud. Once you have chosen, your video will start. Click on Share to screen record your desktop. You can change the size of your face recording by clicking the small boxes, and you can move it to different locations on the screen. To end the recording, press Stop Sharing, then End Meeting for All. Go to the Zoom homepage and select My Account. Go to the Recordings tab and you will see your video processing. Once it has finished, you can share by copying the video link to your clipboard and paste it to share with your students.